Hello, now today I'm going to be showing you how to change your control arm on your Pontiac G8, and we're going to do the passenger side. Your driver's side basically going to be the same thing, but this is the part number for the passenger side. Is your driver's side if you're doing your driver's side. I'm going to show you how to do the passenger side real quick, and it's basically the same thing as the driver's side. Obviously, cars in the air, you can do this, you know, in the driveway and all that good stuff. The wheels off of it, because we're going to have the wheel off out of the way to get to everything.
If you're doing this, you should know how to remove your own tire. So, we didn't need to show you that.
Yeah, what he said. Yeah. Alright, we got a bolt here to remove, which is 18 millimeter. This, you can see, is actually welded, so we ain't going to worry about that. And then, we got one bolt here, which I'll show you later. Right here, on the wheel hub assembly. Show you how to do that. Long, straight bolt.
Before we take the whole thing out, I know we pop that one, just smack the crap out of it and get it out.
Yeah. We gotta get the bolt out first, so once that's loose, we'll break it loose. That is a hard one to get into. Alright, now 21 millimeter or 13/16, whatever one you have. What we will have to do is put a 10 millimeter on top to keep that from spinning. On this little X here, what we want to do is break it loose first. And we got to keep the bolt in the arm for now. So the control arm, break it loose there. And I am aware that this is a lot easier up in the air than it is for some of y'all doing it on the ground. But sometimes that will start pivoting and you got to put this 10 millimeter right there on top. And eventually, as long as it don't spin on you, you won't need it. But once it starts spinning on you, you'll definitely need it. So in this case, since it's not spinning, I'm going to grab a ratchet. But if it starts spinning, I'm going to have to go back to the wrench. Because not all the time will it stay still for you. Now, you can go ahead and pull this bolt out to the other side of it. And then, take a big hammer.
Medium hammer.
Okay. Now, since we're not reusing it, we're not worried about damaging anything on it. As long as you don't damage anything else in the car. That's what we're worried about. Ta-da!
And with your production madness, your new part is ready.
Yes. Let's see. So, we're going to slide that right back up in there. Which is going to be a little tighter fit, apparently. the 10 as well. There we go. That slid in. Try to get that up in there like that. And trying to line them both up at the same time is a little difficult. But I got enough up here. Got the thread started so it's not going to fall out. Got my bolt. And we'll try to line that up. Which the Moog is a lot tighter in there than the other one, so I'm just going to lightly, very lightly, tap it, very lightly, and we're almost lined up. I can see it. There we go. See, it don't take much. And looks like it should be there. I'm just gonna get that ready. Start tightening this down. It may actually be a different size. And it appears to be. $22 now. Not a big deal. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just gonna tie that down. As far as it'll let me with this. Actually, I am able to tighten it down without needing to use that, which is good. Now we got to tighten that bolt. Now we're going to tighten this down like it was. If you're a little bit off your alignment, where it's not going all the way through, you should be able to look and see if it's lined up, and it's really close. I just need to just a hair tap here and there. And it should start going. Obviously, like I said, it's a lot easier on the lift than it is the ground. I apologize for those that are trying to do this on the ground. I understand your plight. But it's also a lot easier to show you on the lift. And it is a long-winded bolt, so it takes a second. I say it's a long-winded bolt because it is a long-winded bolt. There we go. Now obviously when you do this under a car on jacks or something, please be safe.
Jack stands.
Yeah, jack stands, jacks, you know, that good stuff. But there it is. So you change your control arm when you're calling it G8. It's pretty simple, really. I mean, 2 nuts, 1 bolt, 1 nut. Simple. Like I said, I use a 10 millimeter there to hold that while you turn it off. Take the nut off, other than that, pretty simple. I hope this information was helpful. As always, Thanks for watching.